Welcome back to Living in 08. We are heading out to Salt Lake now. Primary Residential Mortgage is getting us up to speed on reverse mortgages, what it is, and who can benefit from it.
Now, there are many ways to invest in real estate, and there are also many types of mortgages. Today, we're going to talk about reverse mortgages, and I'm with our good friend Nelson from Primary Residential Mortgage. Aloha.
Thanks, Kelly. Thanks for having me.
I'm happy to be here because we've talked about this spot a lot. Where exactly are we?
We're in the Stadium Mall, and this is our real estate learning center where we have different classes. It's just a few doors down from the Ice Palace. It's an office that we use for continuing education classes as well as public classes that teach people about real estate and mortgages.
Wonderful. And one of those topics, reverse mortgages. So what exactly is a reverse mortgage?
And a reverse mortgage is a mortgage loan available to senior homeowners age 62 or more. It allows them to access cash that they have equity in the home and allows them to access that for any purpose. It's just like a regular mortgage or a bank home equity line of credit with that one difference, that the monthly loan payment is optional.
Interesting. Okay, so it is a loan, so you'd have to pay it back eventually regardless. So why get a reverse mortgage? What's the benefit of that?
Well, it is a loan. It's a mortgage loan. It has to be repaid later. It gets repaid when the home is no longer your primary residence, if you permanently move out, or the last remaining spouse passes away. So because a reverse mortgage doesn't rely on income to qualify. To qualify for a reverse mortgage is based on the homeowner's age. It allows a senior homeowner who has maybe limited retirement income to be able to qualify to access that cash to do other things like pay off an existing mortgage, to fix their home, to cross things off their bucket list and take the trip they always wanted to take and enjoy retirement. And we see a lot of people taking a reverse mortgage to take money out to give to their kids and their grandkids as down payment on their homes. So it allows them to access that and enjoy that with their family while they're still alive. They don't have to wait till they pass away to see their kids enjoy.
Nice. Okay, so when it comes to the reverse mortgages, I mean, all of that sounds really great. What are some of the maybe misconceptions about the mortgage itself?
There are many, but the number one that we constantly hear is that the lender is going to take title to the homeowner's home, and that's simply not true. Like with a regular mortgage, if you pay your real property taxes, your homeowner's insurance, and you keep the home in good repair, you always retain title to the home.
Okay, good to know. And you guys have been doing reverse mortgages for quite a while, so how long have you been working in them?
We've been offering the reverse mortgage product in Hawaii since 2004. Wow, 20 years. And during that time, we've provided many informational seminars to teach senior homeowners about reverse mortgages and other mortgage products to help them enjoy their retirement.
Nearly 20 years, so you guys are the pros. Okay, good to know. And if other people, also want to become the pros and want to learn more about it, how do we get involved with your seminars?
Sure. The easiest way to do is to call us at 808-585-9888. Very easy number. Or better yet, just jump on our website at reverse808.com. It includes all information about reverse mortgages and also includes our seminar dates and locations. Most of our in-person seminars are here at the Real Estate Learning Center in the Stadium Mall. Again, a few doors down from the Ice Palace.
Perfect. Yes, super easy, convenient location, lots of great parking around as well. So it's a great place to learn. So if you're interested in buying real estate, I mean, of course, most of us need to talk to a lender, and Nelson's going to be your man. So make sure you hit him up. Thanks so much for having me out here. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Kelly.
And we'll have all of his details on our website at kh12.com.
Great information, good stuff, and reverse mortgages sound a little more appealing than the word reverse.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, and he broke it down for us. And you guys, we'll have more information on kh12.com in a couple of minutes.
Yes, shortly after.
Or actually, I was just say later this afternoon. But if you're watching at night, it's already up there.